Welcome back to Pratik Academy. In previous video, we have studied about hydroelectric power plant. In this video, we will study wind power plant. As name indicates here, kinetic energy of wind is used to generate electric energy. Okay, this is green energy power source. That means this power plant is does not producing any harmful effects or pollution is not created by this power plant. So this is green energy power source. So let's see what are the basic components in this power plant. So as you can see, there are first blades are provided in this power plant. Blades can rotate according to airflow. Number of blades may be 2 or 4 or 3 depending upon design of this power plant. Then there is a shaft which is connecting these blades to generator via gearbox. Okay, function of gearbox is to adjustment of speed. Then in generator, as we know, the principle of generator or working of generator is to convert electric energy due to principle of electromagnetic induction. Okay, and this whole assembly is mounted on a support which is having very high height. Okay, and at the base of this assembly bearing is provided so that this whole assembly can adjust its direction according to airflow. So for that adjustment purpose, bearing is provided at the bottom of this assembly. Okay, so this is the construction. So construction includes blades, shaft, gearbox, generator and bearing provided at the base and support. Okay, support or we can say tower. So what are the stages in electric generator using wind energy? So first we required here wind or airflow having required velocity. Air velocity is very important factor in case of wind power plant. So we require first wind with required velocity. This air is when flowing over large fins or blades, it starts to rotate that blade, and when these blades start rotating, as the shaft which is connected to these blades also start rotates, then generator also start rotating. And when in generator central shaft or central magnetic field when starts rotating, then according to principle of electromagnetic induction there is a generation of electricity, and this electricity is then carried out to required point. Okay, so here first we required wind with required velocity. Then this wind when pass through over large fins or blades and start rotating that blades, then due to rotation of that blades, shaft which is connecting generator start rotating, and then in generator due to or according to principle of electromagnetic induction we get electric energy. So first here, as we can say, first we have kinetic energy in wind. This energy is transferred to turbine, and then finally we get electric energy. So this is the simple power generation in case of wind power plant. But what is important is we required very we required a wind with required or some fixed amount of velocity. Okay, so here as you can see there are different wind power plants or windmills are there having different heights. So here first we see if at home height of this windmill is about 100 feet, and blade length is 1.5 meter, and its power generation capacity is 2 kilowatt. Then we go to wind farm, that is some hills area. Then here, if we can say, height of this windmill or tower is about 400 feet or nearly 400 feet, and if we get blade length 50 meter, their capacity is increased from 2 kilowatt to 2000 kilowatt. Then if we require to generate higher velocity, higher power output, then wind velocity should be high, and this high velocity wind is available at seaside or offshore side. Then here, as you can see, if we get wind, if we get tower having height 600 feet or above and blade length of 100 meter, then we can generate we can generate electricity about 6000 to 700 kilowatt by using this wind power plant. So from this figure you can conclude that, or we can conclude that, power generation from windmill is depends upon blade length and velocity of wind. That is, wind velocity is very important factor in case of power generation, and we have to place windmills or wind power plant at the location where high wind is available throughout the year. Okay, so this power plant is very easy, simple energy conversion is there, but there are some limitations in case of wind power plants. So what are the limitations? So first limitation is wind velocity necessary for wind energy generation is not available everywhere. As we have discussed here, when we go to seaside or offshore side, then we have high velocity winds are there, but when we consider cities or towns or highly populated areas, crowded areas, there wind velocity is very low, so there is a limitation comes to power generation. Then second, wind velocity at specific location depends on many geographical factors. Okay, so this is the second limitation which limits wind velocity. Then third, wind velocity is usually high on seashores, and that environment is appropriate for installation of wind turbine. That means we have to select location of windmills near to seashore sites. We cannot install these windmills near to cities where wind velocity is very low. So this is the main limitation of wind power plant. So in this video we have studied about wind power plant. So this is the very simple power plant. Here we are using energy from wind to generate electricity, and simple steps are there: kinetic energy in wind transferred to blades, then is transferred to generator, and finally we get electricity. And here, as we have discussed, two important criteria: wind velocity and blade length. And as wind velocity is not available at high rate everywhere, so there is a limitation in power generation. So if you like this video, please share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.